In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your Apple ID name or username in a couple of places. First things first, open up the settings on your iOS or Mac device. And then once under settings, you want to go and tap on the very top option where it says iCloud and your name, and then go into this section here that says personal information. Once you tap into personal information, you're going to see your name and some other information about your user on this device. And then if you tap on your name here, you can just select into either the first, middle, or last name and make any adjustments that you want. And once you hit the blue check mark in the upper right-hand corner, it will make those saves final. And then when you go back, you should see those changes there on your Apple account or your Apple ID account. Another place where you may want to change your name is right here under your Apple account. You'll see something that says payment and shipping. You may have to use Face ID or tap in your passcode to get here. And then at the bottom, it says shipping address. If we tap into shipping address, this is another place where you may want to change your Apple ID name that's related to your user on this device. Just go in here, tap into first or last name, make your changes, tap the blue check mark, and you are good to go. The last place that I'm going to talk about today is going to be if we scroll down and go to apps, and then we search for or scroll down for the Messages app where you send your text messages on your device, you should see an option there where it says share name and photo. I currently have this setting turned off, but if you share your name and photo when you send messages on your device, it will show up as you see here. The easiest way to make this change is to open up the phone app, the actual app where you make calls on your phone. And then when you open the phone app, you want to go to Contacts. And then under Contacts at the very top, there'll be something called My Card. Tap into My Card. Once you're here, you should see shared name and photo at the very top. But what you want to do is tap the edit button in the upper right-hand corner of this screen, and then just tap into your either first, last name, or any information that you want changed. Make those changes, hit the check mark, and you are good to go. I'll have a pinned comment down below with frequently asked questions and problems that you could run into, and we'll see you guys in the next video.